Hello everyone, and it's time for another Tech in 2 plus a few, and this time I'd like to share with you 99 Math, which is a social practice platform for math fluency for a variety of topics spanning grades 1st through 8. If you read their website, it's completely free. So if you go on over to 99math.com, you can sign up for free as a teacher or a student or a parent if that's your role in education. And all you have to do is then register with your email or Google, and then you can log in. Once you sign in, you're taken to your dashboard, and your dashboard looks like this, and you have the option of setting up your games and then later on viewing reports of student results. Right now, we have a banner up here letting us see that they have added this new self-paced mode for individual practice, which is a good solution, of course, if you either want to assign it as a homework or an additional independent practice, or if you are in hybrid or distance learning and you need an asynchronous option. So let's scroll down and see. You have many topics that you can choose from, and then within the topics you have a lot of customization that you can do. And what's really awesome is that they keep adding things, and we're looking at lots of skills that not just math facts, but things that are very helpful for students to have to some level of automaticity. So let's say I'm practicing order of operations, and order of operations has a lot of options. So you can have just addition and subtraction, just multiplication and division, or you can have all of the operations, and then you can also decide what form the equations you want to take. Maybe you just want problems with parentheses. And then you have 3 difficulty levels that you can offer, and then you can go ahead, once you have decided how you want your math to be set up, you click next, and you have the 2 options. You have live game and you have self-paced. And so if you decide to set up a live game, you set the number of rounds and the length of time the rounds that you want to take. And again, these are designed to take maybe 5 to 10 minutes a day to get those math reps in, to have multiple opportunities to see their growth and improvement. And so once you create that, it's very similar to other online quiz platforms. You get a link or a game code, and then you can copy that and paste it into your video conference chat or your LMS or your Google Classroom or wherever you want to share it to students. And then as students sign in, then you can start the game once students are signed in. Or you can start a self-paced game. And for the self-paced, you have the option of choosing 1, 2, 3, or 5 minutes of practice. Or you can select the number of tasks you want students to do. Maybe you want them to do just a practice round of 30. Then you can set a due date and a time. Or you can, which is I think is really nice features, you can leave it open-ended and have no deadline. And then you create that. And once again, same thing, you can go ahead and copy that link and share it with students, however you do that. So it's a really cool site, has a lot of options. Hopefully, maybe you'll check it out and it'll be helpful to you. Okay, so this has already gone well over 2 minutes, but I would like to just take a quick look at reporting. Reporting is pretty simple right now in 99 Math. If you have completed a round, you can view how students percent correct, how many they got and what their skill level is, and which questions they missed if they got it wrong. They do have progress charts on the horizon. They are continually growing and improving, and they work with their teacher and users to make the platform as valuable and as useful as they can. So this has been really Tech in 2 times 2, but I hope it was helpful and maybe that you'll check it out.